Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms. If you want to study the notes of this term or MCQs related with this, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our offline and online classes shortly, so stay tuned with us. So let's start. Bathos and anticlimax. Introduction. The terms bathos and anticlimax have been significant concepts in literary criticism since Alexander Pope's satirical work, An Essay on Bathos, of the Art of Sinking in Poetry. Bathos, derived from the Greek word for depth, refers to an unintentional descent in literature where writers attempt to evoke pathos, passion, or grandeur, results in a shift towards the trivial or the ridiculous. Anticlimax, on the other hand, involves a deliberate drop from the serious and elevated to the lowly and trivial, employed for comic or satirical effect. In this video, we aim to explore and explain both bathos and anticlimax, analyzing their origins, characteristics, and their significance in literary works. The genesis of bathos. Alexander Pope's An Essay on Bathos serves as a foundational text for understanding the concept of bathos. In this satirical essay, Pope humorously guides his readers on a journey towards bathos, the epitome of true modern poesy. Bathos, in Pope's context, is the unintentional and comical descent from the lofty to the mundane or ridiculous. Pope exemplifies bathos through various literary examples, where writers, while striving for emotional depth, fail to produce unintentionally humorous results. This unintended descent often occurs due to overwrought language or strained emotional expressions. Bathos in literary works. Bathos finds its way into numerous literary works, even those crafted by renowned poets. One such example is William Wordsworth's The Prelude, where Wordsworth recounts the tragic tale of star-crossed lovers Vaudreuil and Julia. However, a moment of bathos arises when Wordsworth describes the death of Julia's infant son due to the father's mistake or indiscretion. The Stuffed Owl, an anthology of bad words, edited by D.B. Wyndham Lewis and Charles Lee, provides a treasure trove of instances of unintended bathos in poetry, showcasing how even great poets can fall victim to this rhetorical figure. Understanding anticlimax. Anticlimax, while related to bathos, differs in its intention and effect. It refers to a deliberate drop from the serious and elevated to the trivial and lowly, usually employed for comic or satirical purposes. Thomas Gray's mock heroic Ode on the Death of a Favorite Cat exemplifies the use of anticlimax. In this poem, Gray humorously juxtaposes grave observations with trivial statements, creating a humorous effect. Similarly, Lord Byron utilizes anticlimax in his work Don Juan, where he playfully deflates the attempted gallantry of Juan's father by presenting a humorous twist in the concluding lines. Conclusion. Bathos and anticlimax both involve a shift in tone or emotion, but they operate in different ways and serve distinct purposes. Bathos results from an unintentional descent, while anticlimax is a deliberate drop from the elevated to the trivial. Both elements add depth and complexity to literary works, contributing to their overall impact on readers. By understanding these rhetorical devices, readers can appreciate the intricacies of literature and the varied techniques employed by writers to evoke emotions and create a desired effect. So this was the discussion on Bathos and anticlimax. We'll meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.